Throughout my entire 36-hour journey on board of the Reunification Express between Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, my berth stayed as it was, a bed. This meant that I did not have to share my most personal space with the 3 other passengers in my cabin. This also meant I could hop in bed for an hour of doing nothing, watching YouTube, glaring through the dirty window at any point throughout this 1.5-day journey. But what does that feel like? Well, this short clip shows the perspective from my very bed. It's convenient, lazy traveling even, if you consider railway staff will come by multiple times offering all kinds of drinks, snacks and meals. You can just ask what you want and they'll serve it right there and then.